Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to talk about what is internal knowledge base and how to create one, and I am going to show you with the platform called document360.com. So what is internal knowledge base? So an internal knowledge base is a private centralized repository of important company information that only accessible to your team or employees. It is typically includes like company's policy and HR procedures, technical documents and product guides, also onboarding material and training resource. And it also have the knowledge like standard operating procedures like the stops and internal FAQs and traveling step. It is a purpose is to improve efficiency, streamline onboarding and reduce repetitive questions by making knowledge easy to find and share. So how to create an internal knowledge base using document 360? Let me give you an step-by-step thoughts to you. So document 360 is a professional knowledge base software perfect for internal documentation with robust features like roles, permissions, visions, or version control, analytics, and markdown support. First of all, you just need to be sign up and set up your project. So let's visit document360.com, and as you can see we are already landed in here, and here as you can see we can use the free trial. So I will go with this one, it's a good to go. So I will click over here, then here they are telling us to provide our first name, so I will give all this thing. Then here I will provide my Gmail, provide your business email address. We could not validate the email address, and if the problem persists please contact us, this one. Then I will provide job title. So here you just need to provide your all the things, work email, then you will get to enter in their dashboard. So I will click on a book a demo, then I will provide all the necessary things over here. So don't support any work email, so that for reason I will go to the temp mail that provide business email. So here I will search it, and I will going to copy this one, your temporary email address. So here I will copy this one, and then I will paste it here. So please provide your business email address. We cannot validate the email address. So they are telling us to business email address, so I don't have any yet, but let's go and talk about. Click on the video, and here you can see that from this one you can include a clear overview. You will just need to create a new project, for example internal cavi or your company name. You can choose internal knowledge base when asked about you use case like you. Then the second step is to define categories and structure. So here you can see this is the options. Here you will see all the necessary things. So as you can see it, knowledge base, then software documentation, user manuals, SOPs. From the knowledge base, like use clear categories to organize informations. For example, HR and onboarding, you can make a categories on IT and tool access. Similarly with the product knowledge also. In document 360, you just need to go to the documentation tab. Like here you can see the software documentation here, and upon these options you just need to click on category options. Here you can see that introductions. In here you just need to click on this one, and you are allowed to add a category to group article logically. Then the step 3 is create and format articles. You just need to click on the articles. Here you can see that we have the options like source articles. From that place you can add your articles. You just need to click on new article, and inside a category use the rich text or mark down the options or editor. You just need to add step-by-step instruction, bullet point, table, checklist. Then embedded videos like Loom or YouTube. You can add screenshot or GIFs for the clarity also. Also you are allowed to add tags and SEO setting to make articles easier to search also. Then in the next you can set the access and permission, like you just need to be visit on to the setting and user roles, and then assign your roles owner, editor, draft writer, reader, whatever you want. Then you can restrict access to sensitive content using them account control, like example HR docs only visible to HR team. This ensure each department only sees what's relevant for them. Then next one is publish and maintain your KV. You just need to use the publish button when content is ready. Save as draft while working. Then schedule regular reviews to update or delete outdated content. Then you can use version control to roll back if needed. And let me give you a bonus, that is enable the review reminders features to get notified when content needs updating. Then let's go talk about the track uses and feedback in this system. In the analytics dashboard, you could see most viewed article easily, then identify underused content, then collect team feedback or rating on the article helpfulness. This helps you continuously improve the knowledge base based on your real use behavior. So here let's go and talk about the pricing. If you see the pricing, let's talk professional. Here you will get this kind of a feature. Those you just need to click over here and paste all the necessary things over here, and then they will give you the SMS where they will discuss about the price over here. Then if you see their feature, in the feature you will see that they have core products like portal, site, embedded help center, then industry leading feature like analytics dashboard, SEO customizations, then glossary management, drive, health and check materials or metrics, interactive decision tree, customer workflow builder, integrations, support, deflector, APIs support. So here if you want to book a demo before to use this one, you are allowed to do it. Just click on book demo, I already mentioned you. So here we are going to talk about why use documented 365 for internal knowledge base. Let me talk about the feature and benefit. Like role-based access you will get, like it benefit you to control who can view or edit the content. Then the feature will be easy categorization. Then the benefit will be keep your KV organized. The next feature is real-time analytics. The benefit is understand what your team actually uses. Then the next feature is version history, and the benefit is track changes, revert if needed. And last feature is advanced search and tagging. In the benefit you will get find articles instantly. And let me give you a final thoughts, that is an internal knowledge base is specially built with document 360 will save you time, then empower your employees, reduce support requests and improve onboarding and productivity. I hope you understand why you just need to be use this platform for you. If you love this video and you get so much knowledge, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. And I will see you in the next video with a new topic with a new video. Thanks for watching the video. Till then.